Is your track sounding flat, dry, and stuck inside your speakers? In this year, if your sounds don't have space, they don't have soul. And today, I'm talking about how you can use the two fastest ways to add a reverb in FL Studio, the inset wave for speed and the bus wave for professional control. Let's get your mix breathing. Okay, and firstly, the quick fix. Select your sound and hit Ctrl+L to send it to a mixer track. On the right-hand side, click an empty effect slot and select Fruity Reverb 2 or the new LuxeVerb. Turn the dry knob down and the wet knob up until you find the vibe. Also pro tip, use the built-in Calc low cut inside the reverb plugin to cut everything below 300 Hz. This keeps your reverb from turning your bass into a muddy mess. It's a 10-second fix that saves your entire mix. If you want multiple instruments to sound like they're in the same room, use a send. Select an empty mixer track and name it Reverb. Load your reverb plugin on that track and set the dry to 0% and wet to 100. Now select your lead or vocal track and click the arrow at the bottom of Reverb track to route it. Dial in the knob to send just enough signal. This lets you process the reverb separately with EQ or compression without touching your original clean sound. And after this, your track should sound like it was recorded in a professional studio, not a cardboard box. Hopefully this production tip helped you find your vibe today. If it did, smash like and subscribe.